Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and tools, make a verified backup, and download the correct Windows ISO. Once done, make a bootable USB with Rufus or Microsoft's Media Creation tool, plug it in and reboot. Enter firmware with Dell/F2 or use Windows Advanced Startup to boot USB. You need the product key handy and a stable AC connection. Make sure the target drive is visible and note its partitions. If you'll clean install, identify the system reserved and Windows partitions before proceeding. You'll select Custom, install Windows only when the installer appears. If doing a clean install, delete only the old Windows partitions you already backed up. Don't touch unrelated data volumes. Create or accept the EFI and primary partitions. Windows will often create MSR automatically. Format the primary as NTFS, then choose it and click Next. The installer copies files and reboots several times. During this, make decisions about region, account type, and whether to connect to Wi-Fi. Device drivers can wait for Windows Update if needed. You finish setup through OOB, create your user, set privacy, and configure a PIN or local account. Once on the desktop, run Windows Update and install OEM drivers, then reinstall apps and restore your backed up files. Make sure activation is valid. Enter the product key if required. If something goes wrong and the system won't boot, don't panic. Reboot to the USB installer, choose Repair Your Computer, and run Startup Repair or use Command Prompt to check BCD and disk integrity. That single repair step often resolves boot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.